By the end of this introduction, you won't just know what makes a presentation work. You'll be able to turn a brief into a simple, finished file you can plan, build, check, and save with confidence. And to build with that kind of confidence, you won't be figuring it out alone. Your trainers, classmates, and support contacts are the people to turn to whenever you need a quick answer, a second pair of eyes, or help getting unstuck. Once you know who to ask, the next step is knowing where the work happens. Moodle and Zoom are your main learning spaces, and your presentation tasks will be built in the business tools you'll use most often, like Microsoft Office, Google Slides, and Canva. Beyond those tools, bsbec301 is really about using workplace presentation apps and platforms to design and produce electronic presentations that feel usable, clear, and job-ready. And once you know that goal, the work becomes much easier to follow because it moves through a clear sequence. You prepare first, then create, and finally finalize the file so it's ready to submit or share. And that final step of getting a file ready to share matters because this unit fits real workplace tasks. It's especially useful if you're supporting a team or building your own presentations for meetings, updates, pitches, or internal communication. And in all of those situations, the job isn't just to make slides, it's to make information clear, professional, and right for the people in the room or on the screen. And before you make any of that information clear on screen, set yourself up to work comfortably and safely, with good posture, screen height, and a workspace that helps you stay focused. Once that setup feels right, make sure your device, software, files, and workspace are ready to go. So when you start the presentation task, you can build straight away instead of stopping to fix basics. And once your tools are ready, the next decision is what this presentation actually needs to do and who needs it. A quick team update for managers sounds very different from instructions for new staff or a pitch for clients. And when you know that, you can shape the delivery to fit the moment. Whether you're speaking live, guiding a small group, or building something people will read on screen like a handout. And once you've matched the presentation to the audience and situation, check the organization's rules and the task requirements before you build, so your slides already fit the brief, the branding, and what's actually being asked for. And once you've checked the brief and the rules, build in the application your organization actually allows, whether that's PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva, so you're working inside normal procedures from the start. From there, keep the style guide beside you because the right fonts, colors, logo use, and layout are what make your presentation look like it belongs to the organization, not just to you. And with that style guide in view, don't jump straight into filling slides. Plan the structure first so each section has a place before the content starts piling up. Once that structure is set, use layout, design, and emphasis tools to guide the eye, balance the page, and make the message easy to read at a glance. And once you're using those layout and design tools, don't let one stubborn feature or formatting problem stop your momentum. Open the help tools in PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva, and search the exact thing that's slowing you down so you can fix it and keep building. And once the build is done, don't hit send straight away. Check the spelling, make sure the layouts stay consistent from slide to slide, and confirm the final presentation materials are complete before delivery. Then finish the job properly by naming the file clearly and saving it in the right folder, so you can find it again fast and share the correct version without any mix-up. That wraps up this unit introduction. You're ready to get started, so go ahead and begin your assessments. And if you need any help along the way, please reach out. We're here to support you.